Canned questions and answers.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can swim very well.
Can I borrow your book?
Sure, you can borrow it anytime.
Can you help me with my homework?
Yes, I can help you after lunch.
Can we meet tomorrow?
Yes, we can meet at 10 a.m.
Can you play the piano?
No, I cannot play the piano.
Can I use your phone for a moment?
Of course, here you go.
Can I sit here?
Yes, that seat is free.
Can you cook Italian food?
Yes, I can make a great pasta dish. Could questions and answers.
Could you pass me the salt?
Sure, here it is.
Could we take a break now?
Yes, let's take a 5-minute break.
Could you open the window, please?
Of course, I will open it now.
Could I borrow your car this weekend?
I am sorry, but I need it this weekend.
Could you speak more slowly?
Yes, I will speak slower.
Could you recommend a good restaurant?
Yes, try the Italian place on Main Street.
Could you help me find my keys?
Sure, let's look for them together.
Could you give me a ride to the station?
Sure, I can drop you off on the way.
Do questions and answers.
Do you like coffee?
Yes, I love coffee.
Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a dog.
Do you need any help with your homework?
Yes, I could use some help with math.
Do you know where the library is?
Yes, it is on the next street.
Do you go to the gym regularly?
Yes, I go 3 times a week.
Do you like watching movies?
Yes, I enjoy watching movies, especially comedies.
Do you want to grab lunch together?
Sure, let's go to that new cafe.
Do you play any musical instruments?
Yes, I play the guitar.
How? Questions and answers. How do you get to work?
I take the bus to work.
How was your weekend?
My weekend was great, thanks.
How old are you?
I am 25 years old.
How much does this shirt cost?
It costs $20.
How do you make coffee?
I brew it using a coffee machine.
How long does it take to get to the airport?
It takes about 30 minutes by car.
How often do you go to the gym?
I go to the gym 3 times a week.
How can I improve my English?
You can practice by speaking with native speakers and studying regularly. What questions and answers?
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
What do you do for work?
I am a graphic designer.
What time does the movie start?
The movie starts at 7 p.m.
What is your favorite food?
I love pizza the most.
What did you do last weekend?
I went hiking with friends.
What is your phone number?
My phone number is 555-1234.
What are you doing tonight?
I am going to a concert.
What kind of music do you like?
I enjoy listening to rock and pop music. When questions and answers.
When is your birthday?
My birthday is on August 15th.
When does the train leave?
The train leaves at 3 p.m.
When are we going to the park?
We are going to the park this afternoon.
When did you last see that movie?
I saw it last week.
When will you finish your homework?
I will finish it by 7 p.m.
When are your parents visiting?
They are visiting next weekend.
When is the meeting scheduled for?
The meeting is scheduled for tomorrow morning.
When do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up at 6 a.m.
Where questions and answers. Where are you from?
I am from New York.
Where is the nearest supermarket?
It is just 2 blocks away from here.
Where do you work?
I work at a tech company downtown.
Where can I find a good book to read?
You can check out the local bookstore.
Where are you going tonight?
I am going to a friend's party.
Where did you buy that jacket?
I bought it at a store in the mall.
Where do you usually have lunch?
I usually have lunch at a cafe near my office.
Where is the train station?
It is on the next street over. Which questions and answers.
Which dress should I wear tonight?
I think the red one looks great on you.
Which phone do you recommend?
I recommend the latest model from Samsung.
Which book are you reading right now?
I am reading Pride and Prejudice.
Which way is faster, by car or by train?
The train is faster.
Which subject do you find the most difficult?
I find math the most difficult.
Which flavor of ice cream do you want?
I would like chocolate, please.
Which team won the game?
The home team won by 2 points.
Which movie do you want to watch tonight?
Let's watch the new action movie. Who? Questions and answers.
Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Sarah.
Who is coming to the party tonight?
John, Emma, and Liam are coming.
Who is your favorite singer?
My favorite singer is Adele.
Who taught you how to drive?
My dad taught me.
Who will help us with the project?
I think Tom will help us.
Who are you meeting tomorrow?
I am meeting my colleague from work.
Who can I call for more information?
You can call our customer service team.
Who left their bag on the table?
I think it belongs to Mary.
Whose questions and answers? Whose jacket is this?
It is mine.
Whose car is parked outside?
It belongs to our neighbor.
Whose phone is ringing?
I think it is Sarah's phone.
Whose idea was it to go hiking?
It was John's idea.
Whose house are we going to?
We are going to Maria's house.
Whose turn is it to drive?
It is my turn to drive today.
Whose bag is on the floor?
That is my brother's bag.
Whose shoes are these by the door?
They are my sister's shoes.
Why? Questions and answers.
Why are you late?
I missed the bus this morning.
Why did you quit your job?
I wanted to try something new.
Why are you learning English?
I am learning English for my career.
Why did they cancel the event?
It was canceled due to bad weather.
Why are you not coming to the party?
I am not feeling well today.
Why is the sky blue?
It is because of how sunlight interacts with the atmosphere.
Why did you choose this restaurant?
I heard the food here is really good.
Why are you wearing a jacket?
It is cold outside. Will questions and answers. Will you come to the party on Friday?
Yes, I will be there.
Will it rain tomorrow?
According to the forecast, yes, it will.
Will you help me with my homework later?
Yes, I will help you after dinner.
Will they open the new store next week?
Yes, they will open it on Monday.
Will you travel to New York this summer?
Yes, I will go in July.
Will you stay late at work today?
No, I will leave on time.
Will we have enough time to finish the project?
Yes, we will finish it before the deadline.
Will you buy the new phone when it comes out?
Yes, I will buy it as soon as it is released. Should questions and answers.
Should I study more for the exam?
Yes, you should. It will help you improve your score.
Should we bring a gift to the party?
Yes, it is polite to bring something for the host.
Should I apologize to her?
Yes, if you think you made a mistake, you should.
Should we take a taxi or the bus?
We should take the bus. It is cheaper.
Should I call the doctor if I feel worse?
Yes, you should call right away.
Should we order dessert?
No, I think we are too full for dessert.
Should I ask for a raise at work?
Yes, if you feel you deserve it, you should.
Should we start the meeting now?
Yes, everyone is here, so we should start.
May questions and answers.
May I leave early today?
Yes, you may leave early if you have finished your work.
May I borrow your pen?
Sure, you may borrow it.
May we park here?
Yes, you may park in this area.
May I ask a question during the presentation?
Yes, you may ask questions at any time.
May I have some more water?
Yes, you may. Let me get it for you.
May we go outside during the break?
Yes, you may go outside, but stay close to the building.
May I use your computer for a minute?
Yes, you may use it, but please be quick.
May I invite a friend to the party?
Yes, you may invite a friend. The more the merrier.
Must questions and answers.
Must I finish this assignment by tomorrow?
Yes, it is due tomorrow, so you must.
Must we attend the meeting in person?
Yes, it is mandatory to be there.
Must you leave so early?
Yes, I must catch an early train.
Must I bring my own tools to the workshop?
Yes, you must bring them with you.
Must we wear formal clothes to the event?
Yes, it is a formal event, so you must.
Must I submit the form online?
Yes, that is the only way to submit it.
Must we be quiet in the library?
Yes, it is a quiet space, so we must.
Must they pay the bill before the service?
Yes, they must pay it in advance.
Might questions and answers. Might she come to the party later?
She might, but she is not sure yet.
Might they cancel the event due to the weather?
Yes, they might cancel if the storm gets worse.
Might we be able to finish the project by tomorrow?
We might, but it depends on how much work is left.
Might the flight be delayed because of the fog?
It might be delayed. We should check the updates.
Might you need any help with your assignment?
I might need some help, but I will try to finish it on my own first.
Might the package arrive earlier than expected?
It might arrive early, but do not count on it.
Might this restaurant have vegetarian options?
It might, but we should ask the waiter to be sure.
Shall questions and answers. Shall we order some pizza for dinner?
Yes, pizza sounds great for tonight.
Shall I call a taxi for us?
Yes, please do. It will save us time.
Shall we visit the museum tomorrow morning?
Yes, that would be a nice way to start the day.
Shall I make a reservation for the restaurant?
Yes, make sure to get a table by the window.
Shall we invite Sarah to join us for the trip?
Yes, she would love to come with us.
Shall I bring some dessert to the party?
That would be wonderful. Everyone loves dessert.
Shall we take the scenic route on our way to the city?
Yes, I think that will make the drive more enjoyable.
Shall I turn off the lights before we leave?
Yes, please. We should save electricity.